Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove Odoo branding from website. This is useful if you're building a business website, client website, or professional landing page and you want the footer area to look more clean and brand it to your own company. If you want a cleaner, more customized look for your site, this is a quick setting you can adjust directly inside Odoo. I'll walk you through the process in a simple, easy to follow way so you can make the change without getting lost in the editor. This is especially helpful if you're new to the Odoo website builder and you want to make small design changes without touching any code. To begin, go to your Odoo home screen. This is the main dashboard where all of your apps are listed. From here, look for the website app and click on it. The website app is where you manage your pages, design sections, footer, header, menus, and other visible parts of your site. This will open your live website management area, where you can edit pages and change what appears on the front end of your site. This means the changes you make here can affect what visitors actually see when they open your website, so it's always good to review everything before saving. Once you're inside the website section, click on Edit. This puts the page into editing mode and allows you to select parts of the website directly on the screen. If you don't see the editing options right away, give the page a moment to load fully before continuing. Sometimes the editor can take a few seconds to show all available controls, especially if the page has many sections or custom design elements. After that, scroll down to the bottom section of the page where the copyright area appears. You're looking for the footer section that includes the company name and the copyright line. This is usually where branding, footer links, legal information, and copyright details are displayed. Click directly on that area to select it. This is important because Odoo needs you to highlight the specific block before its settings become available. If you click the wrong area, you may see settings for another section, so make sure the footer or copyright block is selected properly. With the copyright section selected, find the copyright toggle and turn it off. This is the setting that controls whether that branding-related footer element is displayed on your website. Turning it off helps remove the default branding style so your footer looks more focused on your own business identity. Once you disable it, the section should disappear from the page preview, letting you confirm the change before you save anything. This preview is helpful because you can immediately see whether the footer now looks cleaner and whether any spacing or layout adjustment is needed. Finally, click Save. This applies the update to your website and makes the change live. Always make sure you save at the end, because if you leave the editor without saving, the branding may still remain visible. Saving is the step that confirms your changes and publishes them on the website. As a quick tip, after saving, refresh the page and check the footer again to confirm everything looks the way you want. If you're editing on a published site, it's also a good idea to view the page as a visitor would, just to make sure the branding is no longer showing. You can also check it in an incognito window or another browser to make sure you're not seeing an old cached version of the page. That's all it takes to remove the Odoo branding from the footer using the website editor. It's a small change, but it can make your site feel more professional and more aligned with your own brand. A clean footer helps your website look more polished and gives visitors a better impression of your business.